Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, we will talk about some basic safety questions related to chemistry which every chemist should know. If you will know the answer of these questions, it will increase your chances of getting selected in chemistry interviews. So this video will be helpful for all the people who wants to join in the chemistry field, who wants to join in the synthetic R&D, who wants to join as a PhD in the reputed universities, because these questions are highly basic questions and interviewer will ask you these kind of questions to know your thought process about the safety in chemistry lab. So we will start this video tutorials with the first question, that what are the safety precautions you will follow while entering into a chemistry lab. So this is a very basic questions and most of the interviewers ask these questions apart from the technical question. So what you will answer, that while entering into a chemistry lab, that the first thing I will take care is apron should be there. Apron is a very basic thing that you should wear while entering into a chemistry lab, because it will protect you from the unknown and hazardous chemical. The second thing is safety goggles. Eyes are very important part of our life and we should protect our eyes from the hazardous chemicals. So a safety goggle is must while entering into a chemistry lab. The third thing we should keep in our mind while entering into a chemistry lab is safety shoes. Safety shoes are also very important part when we are entering into a chemistry lab. Okay, so the three things, the basic things: apron, safety goggle and safety shoes. Now, after wearing all these things, when you are entering into a chemistry lab, the interviewer will ask you that if you are handling a chemical, what are the things you should take care? Okay, the question is that when you are handling a chemical, because if you will work in a chemistry lab, you will definitely handle various chemicals. So what are the things that you have to take care? So the very basic thing that you need to take care is, whenever you are handling a new chemical, a unknown chemical, you should know its cache number. A cache number is a unique number which is assigned to every chemical. Every chemical will have its own unique cache number. So from that cache number, you will get to know its MSDS. MSDS stands for Material Safety Data Sheet. So from that MSDS, you will get to know that what are the hazards associated with this chemical. Okay, getting my point? From that MSDS, you will get to know that what are the hazardous things which is associated with this chemical, and you will be aware about the hazard associated with that chemical. So the appropriate safety measures you will take before handling that particular chemical or particular reagent. So the other part is quenching of the chemical. Quenching of the chemical is also very important, and all the hazardous reagent, all the flammable reagent, how to quench that particular reagent. This information also you will get to know from the Google or from the internet sources, various information available for that. So the quenching process also is very important, and that process also you should know. So if you will answer in this manner to an interviewer, then he will think that yes, as a fresher or as a beginner, you have that kind of understanding. It is very important to keep that understanding, so it will impress the interviewer that yes, you have a thought process to work in a chemistry lab, and it will increase your chances of getting selected as compared to the other student who don't know such kind of things. So these interview questions generally ask if you are going for a chemistry interviews as a chemist, as a research scientist, or even like if it is a PhD interview. Then also if you will answer these questions, it will highly impress your guide also. So these are the basic questions which every organic chemist, every synthetic chemist and every chemist should know. Apart from that, there are various other questions also which we will separately discuss in another video. Thank you for watching this video and share this video with all your chemistry friends. Thank you.